This is a video on some tips on how to change the CV axle on the driver's side of a 2003 Camry. You're gonna need a rather large socket to get the bolt that holds it on. I used a 1 5/16. It was a little loose. I'm not sure what you really should use. Once you get that off, you can do the bolts and pull it straight back and get enough room to get at the CV axle. I used a jack with a aluminum plate to push up the arm that does the steering. It gets stuck. Once you get the bolt out, you have to either knock it out or push it out with a jack. Knocking it out seems to me like you're risking not tearing your threads up on your bolt. Once you get it completely there, I cut out the axle itself, cut the boot and pulled the axle out, which just left the cup that holds the bearing. And to get it out, it has a little retaining ring that holds it in. I don't know if you can see it in that shot. That's a pretty good little shot. I took 2 vice grips and put on each side, took a nylon strap and used just a regular axe and swung it back away from you. Took 3 good shots to hit it. I tried what other people had suggested on YouTube, whale jaw, vice grips, and hitting it, but that didn't seem to do me much good. A drift pin, that didn't seem to do me much good. It's a little bit of a rough job, but all in all, I think it was actually worth doing. I got quotes of $250 to do it, and the axle itself was only 50 bucks, a little over 54, something like that. I hope this YouTube video helps you out.